What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Call to Arms Gates of Hell Ostfront on your PC. So, if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that search for the game Call to Arms Gates of Hell Ostfront. Once you have found it, select it and scroll a little bit down and you will see a price of €34.99. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you a workaround, so what you have to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. You will be redirected to this website. Now search for the same game, Call to Arms Gates of Hell Ostfront. Select it and search for the game. Now select games on the left side and after that sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you need to watch this option, that the game can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. Once you have found a version, then select it. After that, you will be able to purchase this game for just €4.70 instead of €34.99. Once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a new Steam account to download this game completely legit on your PC. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!